Hey GED students, it's GED question of the day time, and we are still writing expressions. This is our last video in a little series we've been working on writing expressions with the basic operations. Now this is a wonderful skill that not only preps you for interpreting word problems, it also preps you for the algebra on the GED. So super important, integral, foundational skill. Let's take a look. It says Ming is a college student who saves money each summer to live on during the school year. This summer she saved $5,680. Okay, that was her savings. Now she needs that money to last for 9 months. Write an expression. Write an expression. What do they mean when they say write an expression? Again, I'll just point out that to GED students, they usually think of the expression as the problem. Weird, because they're not looking for what you guys think of as the answer here. They're looking for an expression, a mathematical statement. An expression will use numbers and operation symbols like plus, minus, multiply, divide, so on and so forth. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use these numbers they gave us, the 5, 6, 80, and the 9 months, with some mathematical operation in an expression. So we want to write an expression to represent the amount of money she can spend each month. We want an expression that represents how much she can spend each month. Well, let's think about this. Ming has a total amount of money she has saved. This is the total money she has saved. $5,680 saved up. And now she's going to parcel it out to herself month by month by month. In fact, she needs that money to last for 9 months. So what is she going to do with this $5,680 she has saved? Well, she's going to group it up month by month by month and spend only a portion each month. And notice that it says to write an expression to represent the amount of money she can spend each month. Well, let's assume that she spends about the same amount each month. If you want to take a total amount like this and break it into same-sized groups, well, that's a perfect picture of division. That's what division is. Taking a total and breaking it into equal-sized groups. So my expression would start with this total, 5,680, and divide it into the number of groups I want. I want it to last 9 months, so that's 9 groups. I'll divide by 9. 5,680 divided by 9 is how most GED students would write this. Now, I do want to remind you that mathematicians tend not to use this divided by sign. We said they more often use a fraction bar. So another way I could write this is 5,680 divided by 9. It means the exact same thing as that. Those two things are completely interchangeable. So you could have written this either of those ways, okay? Now, I just do want to admit that sometimes there's more than one way to go in math that gives the same thing. I think 99.99% of GED students would do it one of these two ways and think about it one of these two ways. So if that's how you did it, don't even worry about this other thing. But I do just want to admit that another way I could do this is take 1/9 of 5,680. So if you did 1/9 times 5,680, you are technically right, even though you didn't perhaps think about it the most common way. It's still totally true. But once again, these are probably the answers that you came up with. And if it was on the GED, I would expect to see one of these. All right, if you have any questions about this or any other GED math concept, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.